Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I'm really excited to talk about a platform that has shaped the way games, apps, and immersive experiences are created around the world, Unity. If you've ever played a mobile game, explored a VR environment, or even used an interactive training app, chances are Unity has had a hand in bringing that to life. Today I want to dive deep into what makes Unity such a powerful tool, explore some of its competitors, and ultimately share why it still stands out as one of the best platforms for creators everywhere. Unity is well known for its accessibility. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner trying to learn game development or a professional working on a massive project, Unity gives you the tools you need without overwhelming you right from the start. Its interface is intuitive and flexible, which means you can focus more on being creative rather than getting stuck on technical roadblocks. That's one of the reasons it has become the go-to choice for indie developers and large studios alike. Another strength of Unity lies in its cross-platform capabilities. You can build a game or an app and deploy it across iOS, Android, PC, consoles, and even VR or AR devices without rewriting everything. This build once, deploy anywhere approach saves developers time and resources, making it an attractive option for teams that want to reach a wide audience quickly. Competitors like Unreal Engine also offer cross-platform support, but Unity's approach feels simpler and more streamlined, which is why so many developers choose it for mobile and indie projects. When it comes to graphics, Unity might not always match the out-of-the-box cinematic realism that Unreal Engine is famous for, but it has made huge strides with its universal render pipeline and high-definition render pipeline. These give developers more control over performance and visual fidelity, meaning you can optimize for mobile devices or push boundaries on high-end PCs. And what Unity may lack in raw graphical power compared to Unreal, it makes up for with flexibility, efficiency, and accessibility. The asset store is another area where Unity shines. Imagine you're building a game and need characters, animations, sound effects, or scripts. You don't always have time to create everything from scratch. Unity's asset store offers thousands of resources, many of them free, that help speed up development. This ecosystem of assets and tools is a huge advantage, especially for small teams or solo developers who want to focus on storytelling and gameplay rather than technical grunt work. Performance is another key factor to highlight. Unity is optimized to run smoothly on a wide range of devices, from high-end gaming PCs to budget smartphones. This scalability is crucial because not every player owns the latest hardware. Competitors like Godot are gaining traction for being lightweight and open source, but Unity still edges out with its mature optimization and proven track record across millions of devices worldwide. One of the things I love most about Unity is its thriving community. Whether you're stuck on a bug or looking for creative inspiration, there are countless forums, tutorials, and videos created by developers who face the same challenges. This kind of support system is invaluable, especially when you're just starting out. Unreal and Godot also have communities, but Unity's is massive, global, and extremely active, which makes learning and growing much easier. Now, if we look at Unity in industries beyond gaming, it's impressive how versatile the platform has become. Developers use it to create VR training simulations for healthcare, architecture firms use it for virtual walkthroughs, and even automakers rely on Unity to showcase car designs in interactive 3D. This versatility gives Unity an edge because it's not just about entertainment. It's a tool that powers innovation across multiple fields. Of course, no platform is perfect. Unity has faced criticism in the past for its pricing models, especially with changes in licensing fees. Unreal Engine offers a royalty-based system that some developers find more appealing. However, Unity has adjusted its plans to accommodate indie developers, students, and larger enterprises, ensuring that the platform remains accessible to different levels of creators. For many, the flexibility of Unity's plans outweighs the concerns. Unity also provides robust support for emerging technologies. With AR and VR growing rapidly, Unity's XR toolkit makes it easier to design immersive experiences without starting from scratch. That's why many of the biggest names in VR content rely on Unity as their foundation. It's simply one of the most future-ready platforms for immersive media. Educational resources are another area where Unity really shines. The platform offers countless learning modules, certifications, and partnerships with schools to help students get started in game development and interactive design. For beginners, this is huge because not only do you learn the skills, but you also gain credentials that help you break into the industry. Competitors might have tutorials and documentation, but Unity has built a structured pathway to success. I also want to highlight the speed of iteration with Unity. The engine allows developers to quickly prototype and test ideas without spending weeks just to see if a concept works. This rapid iteration is perfect for indie developers who need to experiment, or for teams working under tight deadlines. Unity's balance of power and simplicity keeps creative momentum alive, which is often the hardest part of any project. If you're wondering whether Unity is beginner-friendly, the answer is yes. The engine offers a gentle learning curve with drag-and-drop features, visual scripting through tools like Bolt, and plenty of tutorials. For those who want to dive deeper, Siswato scripting opens up endless possibilities. This dual approach makes Unity a platform where beginners can start quickly but also grow into professional-level development over time. Looking at the competition, Unreal Engine is undeniably strong in AAA game development and cinematic visuals, while Godot appeals to developers who prefer an open-source, community-driven alternative. However, Unity sits in the sweet spot between accessibility, flexibility, and scalability. It might not dominate every niche, but overall it delivers a balance that appeals to the widest range of developers. At the end of the day, Unity is more than just a game engine. It's a creative playground. It empowers millions of developers to bring their ideas to life, whether that's a small mobile puzzle game or a fully immersive VR world. Its mix of features, community support, and cross-industry applications make it an incredible tool for anyone who wants to create interactive experiences. So if you've been considering stepping into game development, AR, VR, or even interactive storytelling, Unity is one of the best places to start. It's a platform that grows with you, supports your creativity, and connects you with a global community of like-minded creators. Thanks for spending time with me in this deep dive into Unity. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more reviews like this. And if you're ready to explore Unity for yourself, head over to their website and see just how much you can create. I'll see you in the next video.